In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Gmail account. This process is done in a web browser, and it only takes a few minutes if you have your basic information ready. Start by opening your web browser. You can use whichever one you prefer, like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Next, click into the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type the Google account sign-up page address, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Google account creation form. On the first screen, you will see fields for your name. Type your first name in the first box, then type your last name in the second box. Make sure the spelling is correct, especially if you plan to use this account for school, work, or important services. When you are ready, click the Next button in the bottom right corner. Now you will be asked for basic personal details. Use the drop-down menus to select your birthday and your gender. Take your time here and choose the correct information, since this can affect account recovery and age-related settings. After that, click Next. On the next page, you will set up your email address. You can choose one of the suggested addresses that Google provides, or you can type your own. If the one you want is not available, try a small variation, such as adding numbers or a period, while still keeping it easy to remember. Once you have selected or entered an address you like, click Next. Now it is time to create a password. Type a strong password in the first box, then type the exact same password again in the second box to confirm it. For best security, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using common words or personal details. When both entries match, click Next. At this point, you may be prompted to enter a phone number. If you want to add one, type it in. If you prefer not to, click Skip when that option is available. Then click Next to review your account information. Finally, you will see the Privacy and Terms page. Scroll all the way to the bottom so you can proceed. Then click the I agree button to finish creating your Gmail account. And that is all there is to it.